we are here to talk about the ZT3. I think the first thing you'll notice about ZT3 is the design. If you have a look around at some of these scooters, it's quite a unique design. It's the first product with this particular X-Lite. Also, you might notice this is Segway branded. All of these other scooters are actually Ninebot branded. Not any particular reason for that, but this is what we call a performance kind of all-terrain scooter. And when you start seeing scooters with this power and this design, they'll be branded Segway. For no particular reason, just to differentiate kind of the way we want to sell to these particular products to different segments of the marketplace. So the design is quite striking, and we're looking forward to seeing you all having a ride of it out the back safely. I mentioned the light. It has a front light on top here, which is 4 watts, and then it has directional left and right blinkers. Okay, right along. This is about extending the battery life. So everyone asks how long can it last for, how fast does it go? And kind of most of the time the questions that we get asked. This particular technology enables the device to go about 20% extra range. Now when we talk about range, it's always a typical range. It does depend on the weight of the person, and believe it or not, it depends on the weather, and it also depends on the road type. So you probably can't see these small asterisks. What we basically will advertise is on eco mode about 70 kilometres at least speed, and then a fast 50 kilometre range, which is quite decent. Motor, rear hub motor, and 1600 watt max power brushless. Dual telescopic suspension, and it also has a clearance of about 152 millimetres. So that basically enables it to go over rocks and all kinds of terrain. With a scooter like this, you absolutely need off-road tyres, so 11-inch tubeless off-road tyres. Dual disc brakes, perfect braking. Now, has anybody got a Segway product at home? Scooter, anything? No, I'm seeing a lot of no's, which is very sad, except for our sales manager. The reason I ask is because this app is, to be honest, a real big standout for all these products. It's not specific to this product. This app will demonstrate it to you later, but it is really the brains of the product. You actually can't, when you do buy one of these scooters, and when you buy actually this, you have to pair it up with the Segway-Ninebot app. The reason you do that is, there's a few reasons. Number one is safety. You pair it up, and Nathan will show you how to do this. Unless you pair it up, it will go at a particular speed, will not get over that speed. Basically what that means is it's just all about safety. Make sure that the customer doesn't get on this thing and do this and end up somewhere else, where they shouldn't be. But the really cool thing about that is that having it on the app is OTA upgrades, so no longer do you have to plug it in and download anything by USB. As soon as you download that app, the information will go to the cloud, we'll know it's been activated. If there's any new software updates, it'll go straight to the device via your phone. One thing also, and again, very similar spec on this and also the motorbikes, is lock and unlock. So it's a proximity sensor, Bluetooth. You walk up to the scooter, all you have to do is go. Because on your mobile, it knows you're in range, and away you go. It's the same with the motorbikes. And of course, if you've got an Apple device, fine away. This is really important. Again, battery. These are all EV products. Everyone's got sometimes challenges with batteries, lithium-ion batteries, etc. All of these Segway products are what we call BMS, which is Battery Management Services. This is new technological Battery Management Services 2.0. It's got a few extra features. What this does is, within the battery cells, all our batteries are in the deck of the floor. Same with the motorbikes, they're actually in the floor. They have software inside the batteries that ensures that the battery never overheats or overcharges or undercharges. The software inside of the battery will cut off any unsafe features. And what I mean by that is this particular 2.0 has 3 new features. One of them has show time left for charging, schedule charging for timer on and off. You can actually do that via our app, so if you want to charge at a particular time during the day, you can set that. And third but not least is battery lifestyle management and health. Everyone says to us, for example, how long time before the battery starts degrading. But this is a really important feature. There's a lot of competitors out there that have no battery management services at all. All of these products you're seeing here have got battery management services. This is 2.0, so it's better again. Fast charging, 4 hours. You could get 30-minute ride up to 10 kilometers for a 30-minute charge. So really important for us. A very big highlight is the battery management services in all our products, not just the ZT3. I mentioned trusted brand at the beginning of this presentation. 5,000 kilometer human piloted, imagine doing that. That'd be a nightmare, wouldn't it? So lots of tests. We do a lot of tests on all of our products. Unfortunately, we couldn't get all of the accessories here. We've got some amazing accessories for this, and hopefully next time we see you, we'll be able to bring in some more accessories and show them off, but unfortunately we couldn't get it here. Obviously, it's a water-resistant scooter also.